How to enable Google Authenticator on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can enable Google Authenticator on Binance. In order to enable Google Authenticator on Binance, first thing you have to go and log in into your Binance account. Once logged in, click on the icon located in the top left hand side corner. Next page is going to take you to the profile info page. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on it for the profile picture once again. And next page, you'll be taken to this sort of interface which says account info. Under it, go ahead and select security. As you click on security, now you need to go ahead and select Google Authenticator. After that, you need to go through the terms and condition and all that, and you also need to download the Authenticator app if you've not, and click the enable button if you've already installed or downloaded the app. Now you have to go ahead and open up the Google Authenticator. By default, the Google Authenticator app will open up, and you have to click on the plus icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. Next page is going to ask you to select whether you want to scan a QR code or enter a setup passcode. Whatever is convenient for you, select that. Now you have to enter in the account information and the key and click on the add button once you're done entering the following details. Now that you've already set up the information, click the next button by reviewing all of the information that you've provided, and then you need to enter in the authenticator code that's going to be sent through an SMS or on the Authenticator app itself, and click the submit button located right at the bottom. Now that you've already set up an Authenticator app on the Binance application, successfully enable your Google Authenticator on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.